Hey there, space explorers. I'm Alex, and today we're blasting off on an epic adventure through the universe. Imagine if you could hop into a rocket and zoom past planets and stars. Isn't that amazing? Our friendly robot buddy, Zap, will guide us with super cool facts. Did you know Earth is like a big blue marble spinning in space? It has oceans, mountains, and even fluffy clouds that protect us. But wait, there's more wonders ahead. Rocket whoosh, get ready to discover the moon's secrets next. Buckle up. Whoa, look at Earth from way up here. It's our home planet, the third from the sun, and it's just the right size for life. Fun fact, Earth spins like a top, making day and night. That's why we have sunrises and sunsets. And gravity keeps us from floating away, like an invisible hug. Zap says Earth's atmosphere is like a cozy blanket, shielding us from space rocks. Isn't our planet amazing? But let's not stay here forever. Next, we're heading to the moon, Earth's closest buddy in space. Gentle orbit hum. Houston, we have landed on the moon. This rocky neighbor is about 240,000 miles away. That's like 30 trips around Earth. The moon has no air or water, but it's full of craters from space rocks. Fun fact, tides on Earth are caused by the moon's pull, like a giant game of tug-of-war with the oceans. Astronauts bounced around because the gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's. Imagine jumping super high. Zap loves the moon's phases, from new to full. So magical. Now let's rocket to the red planet Mars for more surprises. Bouncy landing sound. Red alert! We've arrived on Mars, the fourth planet from the sun. It's called the red planet because of iron in its soil, like rusty playground equipment. Mars has the biggest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, taller than 3 Mount Everests. And it has polar ice caps, just like Earth. Scientists think there might be water under the ground. Could there be life? Zap detects ancient riverbeds too. So cool. But Mars' days are almost like ours, 24.6 hours long. Imagine exploring there. Next up, the giant Jupiter awaits with its stormy secrets. Rover rumble. Jupiter, here we come. This gas giant is the biggest planet, so huge it could fit 1,300 Earths inside, like a cosmic beach ball. No solid ground, just swirling gases. The Great Red Spot is a storm that's raged for over 300 years, bigger than Earth. Zap says Jupiter has over 90 moons, including Europa with a hidden ocean. It protects us from asteroids too, like a space shield. Isn't that awesome? Jupiter spins super fast, a day is only 10 hours. Hold on tight as we zoom to Saturn's shiny rings next. Swirling wind sound. Ring-a-ding-ding. Welcome to Saturn, the sixth planet, famous for its beautiful rings. They're made of billions of icy rocks, like a giant hula hoop around the planet. You could almost surf on them. Saturn's so light, it would float in a bathtub, mostly gas like Jupiter. It has lovely moons, over 80, and Titan has lakes of liquid methane. Zap thinks the rings sparkle like diamonds. A year on Saturn is 29 Earth years long, plenty of time to play. Now, let's visit the far-out ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Sparkly chime. Out in the cold outer solar system, Uranus is the 7th planet, icy and tilted on its side. It rolls around the sun like a ball. Super windy too. Neptune, the 8th and farthest, is deep blue like the ocean, with the fastest winds at 1,200 miles per hour, faster than a race car. Both are ice giants, made of water, ammonia, and methane. Zap shivers, but they're beautiful. A day on Neptune is 16 hours, but a year is 165 Earth years. Our solar system tour is wrapping up. Now, let's gaze at the stars themselves. Windy whoosh. Beyond our planets, stars light up the night. There are billions in our galaxy alone, each a giant ball of hot gas like our sun. Stars twinkle because Earth's air wiggles the light, like looking through a shaky window. The closest star is the sun, 93 million miles away, but others are light years distant. Light years? That's how far light travels in a year, super far. Zap says stars are born in nebulae, colorful gas clouds. Imagine wishing on a shooting star. Our adventure gets bigger. Next, dive into galaxies. Sparkling twinkle sounds. Zoom out, we're in the Milky Way, our home galaxy. It's a spiral shape with arms full of stars, gas, and dust, about 100,000 light-years across. There are 100 to 400 billion stars in it, more than grains of sand on all beaches. Our solar system is in one of the arms, orbiting the center every 225 million years. Galaxies come in all shapes, spirals, ellipticals, even irregular ones. Zap calls it a cosmic pinwheel. So many worlds out there. But hold on for our wow moment, let's peek at a black hole, the universe's biggest secret. Distant galaxy hum. Wow moment alert. Black holes are super dense spots where gravity is so strong, not even light escapes, like an invisible vacuum cleaner for space stuff. They're formed when huge stars collapse. The one in our galaxy's center is millions of times the sun's mass. But don't worry, they're far away and fascinating, not scary. Scientists use telescopes to spot them by their glowy disks of pulled-in gas. Imagine time slowing near one. Zap says they're key to understanding the universe. Mind blown yet? Now, to wrap our trip, let's talk real astronauts. Deep gravitational hum. Becoming an astronaut is a dream come true. They train hard, eat space food from tubes, and float in zero gravity, no bedtime walks. Astronauts live on the International Space Station, orbiting Earth 16 times a day, seeing 16 sunrises. They do experiments to learn about space, like growing plants without soil. Fun fact, in space, you grow taller because no gravity squishes your spine. Anyone can be an astronaut with curiosity and study. Zap wants to apply. Our adventure's almost over, time to head home and dream big. Space Station Beep. What an incredible journey, space explorers. From Earth's cozy hug to black holes' mysteries, the universe is full of wonders waiting for you. Remember, every star and planet has a story, and you can discover more. Keep looking up, asking questions, and dreaming big. Thanks to Zap for the fun facts. If you loved this adventure, subscribe to Space Explorers and hit the bell for more cosmic fun. What's your favorite space fact? Tell us below. Until next time, keep exploring. Uplifting music fade, rocket.